Hey everybody, Josh with Dicus Enterprises here. Today we're taking a quick look at one of the projects that we just wrapped up. It's one of my client's 5-foot by 8-foot utility trailers that we did a quick frame on. He brought it to us with cheap angle iron, just bolted together as frame sides, and they were bending up, wiggling all around. They were kind of falling apart. So we did a solid frame around it. The idea being he can put plywood or drywall either on the top of it or on the sides and strap it down without taking up a whole lot of space. The front crossbar is solid welded. The rear crossbar has been made removable per our client's request. So if you take a look there, it's not welded. Take a look here, it's not welded. The idea is it's got a set of pins on it and a set of holes at the top. Just set it down into place. He can remove it if he doesn't need it, or he can lock it on. That way he can put something over top of the frame if he needs to. Now, this was a pretty quick, easy deal for us. We knocked it out in a day and a half for him. And I think overall, he's gonna be really happy with it. We did the framework out of angle iron. In this case, it's 2 by 2 by 1/8 for the 4 main posts. The 2 center kickers are slightly smaller at 1.5" by 1.5" by 1/8 inch. That's just for fitment reasons. And then the top is made out of 2" by 2" by 1/8 inch wall square tube. That's just to give it a little bit more rigidity. The front cross member is angle iron. That way if he's strapping something, he can hook here or hook here instead of having to wrap around a piece of box tubing. And we did the rear cross member that's removable in the same fashion. It is angle iron, make it easy on, easy off, and so he can strap to it with ease. It's also the reason why we did the post with angle iron. It makes it a lot easier to get a strap on it to actually, strap something down, a bungee cord, ratchet strap, anything like that. We did not weld straight to the actual trailer with these legs. We did put a set of angle iron pads on it to kind of box it, the 6 sections in, where we ended up putting these pads just to give it a little bit of extra strength in those areas in case our client ends up overloading it slightly. Now, the client did not want it painted. He's going to do that himself, so we left it all bare metal. He didn't want any cross members shooting across the sides or anything like that, so this is per his spec. And he's going to be picking it up later today. Hopefully he's happy with it. And big shout out to Hobart, as we used 2 of their machines today. We used our Hobart Handler 210 MVP MIG welder. And then we also used our Hobart Champion 145. 2 of my go-to units here at the shop. So, as always, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, hit subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the bottom. And for more projects like this and quick updates, check us out on Facebook, Dicus Enterprises LLC, or on Instagram at Dicus_Enterprises. And keep up to date on projects like this one and more. You'll actually see this one on our Instagram page probably a day or 2 before this video drops, give or take. And that's about it, guys. So hope you have a good one, and I'll catch you all next week.